Okay, then I'm back again now. So what I'm just gonna do now is I'm only gonna taper it till the 230 equity open. Okay, so another thing is, it doesn't mean I'm gonna take trades at 230. I don't need to. It depends on the type of price action it gives. You know what I'm saying? If it gives like a really easy setup, then it's worth taking. And it has to be A+ criteria like this one here. Has liquidity below it, like very obvious liquidity below it. Has a bias that's in line with that liquidity. Has a narrative which would be what they call it now, 2022, 2022. Okay, another 2022 right there. Boom. That would be the narrative. And narrative as in, what is it doing right now? Where is it seeking to? Is it coming back to midnight open like it did here? Is it engineering liquidity? And why has it come off of as well? I'm saying we have a bunch of liquidity here now, but I don't think we'll take that yet because 15 minutes is quite strong area. So I'm going to need to deep delve into this a tiny bit more as well, because it's not inverted, but it's, they call it now, it's reverse of what's been happening a couple of days now. All in all, we came into this, came above this liquidity pool right here, this daily rejection block, sorry, this H4 rejection block right here. And it seems like we're coming lower now, but I'm going to check the daily. I'm going to check the daily mainly, the upper quadrant level, which is right here, I think. What the total soups is. Okay, now it is 0.25, just checking. And this is the quadrant. This might draw liquidity. Daily wick quadrant. Now, when I say this might draw liquidity, yes it is. I would expect the Juju swing to go down right here around this area, or even the CE of this area, because this volume imbalance we failed to come to and we just expanded away from it. Price does that. It doesn't need to come back to this volume imbalance yet, maybe in the future, but what it tends to do is, because it's showing a significance away from that, like a bullish move away from that, it tends to hold on our bullish price action in the next coming days or so, and then eventually it does come back here. It does, trust me, it does. Or it just comes back there now, and if it does come back there now, it means I'm wrong today. It's completely fine. So I'm also going to mark out this one here, which is the CE, the wick. Okay, that's 0.75. So that'll be CE wick, daily CE wick plus. Alright, so cool. So we have upper quadrant, CE wick, and that's all I need. Alright, I want to see what's inside of those. I want to see what's inside of those areas as well, because yeah, I can see how there's just a bunch of liquidity here. That's the problem, man. Jeez. Okay. So we have big CE. We do have an order block though. However, no, sorry. Upper quadrant. We have an order block here. Low, high, low, low. Boom. I've not come to this breakout either yet, so could come here. Alright, cool. So I'll probably mark out this one then. Okay, so we already came here anyways, but that would be a power 3 setup right there. Nice. Alright, let me just quickly check again. It's getting very hard to kind of look for an entry here, you know what I'm saying? It's like a bunch of liquidity here somewhere. Alright, right here. I have this sell stops right here. You could expect something like this to hold, and you've got like see right here, but I wouldn't take this like just purely off instinct. It's a balanced price range in my opinion, which hit right there already. Shit. But it's still below this sell side. So what low is that? Yeah, clock. Okay. What low is this? Okay, below this sell side. So I wanna trust this inefficiency down here and see if we can like make a model of that. Make a model of it. I'll take it. Okay. I wouldn't really trust anything in terms of buys around this area. So let me just quickly journal that as well. Alright, you might ask, what's the point of journaling, you know, because you're going to take out that area anyways. You'll really get into that, to be honest. Like, more experience you get from trading in it, and the point of it is that in trading, you'll tend to lie to yourself a lot. You'll say that you do this, but you don't do it. And then if you put in your journal, you know, you're not really lying to yourself, are you? You're following your rules. If you do lie to yourself, you can at least look at your journal, how you lie to yourself, how you deceived yourself. I'll teach this more when you get into our mentorship. It's all about psychology, and this will fit into the fear factor of psychology, not the greed, the fear factor. Sometimes you also lie to yourself because of the greed, but it's mostly to do with the fear of being wrong, or justifying the fact that you were right, or whatever. It's bullshit. Okay, that's why you need to journal. Alright, that's why all these successful traders, they all journal. Not one of them don't journal. They do it in some way. They either have a mentorship where they journal, they either have their own journals where they write it down, etc. You know what I'm saying? And if they tell you that they don't, they're just lying. Trust me, man. I've seen them all. Alright, so we have SMT here, and the thing is, the ES is already below the midnight open. So this SMT right here that ES made, it's not in a really strong premium. Alright, but it's a bull flag actually. I'll just die. Seeing that's not in a very strong premium, you might want to come above these buy stops right here as well, and just like shift lower from this order block right here. Okay, so we have buy stops right here. Okay, and then you have this up close candle, which is right there. Shit, right here. Alright, so PD right here. Okay, I'm going to check ES actually as well, because I don't have a bias on it. I wouldn't really trust any daily bias on ES for bearishness. Alright, there's a big SMT right here already. Massive one. And that's only ES showing it. It's more bullish in the higher time frame. It's not showing ES, it's more bearish. In the 15 minutes, sure. Narrative wise, sure, it is showing an SMT divergence in it being bearish. I understand that. But right here, I didn't come to the CE hole. It hasn't even come to it. And the H4, let me check the H4 PC as well, which is 23rd of January 25. And then that's come here already. That's good. That's good. Just checking that. Q actually again. This area here. It's very weird. I'm not gonna lie. This is my opinion. Yeah, it's kind of tipping sound. Let me check the Dow. Dow is moving. Dow is moving. Okay. It's nice to see. Oh, Dow is moving. Yeah, Dow is definitely moving. Just move everything with this. So, no. Okay. Yeah, Dow is moving. Okay, we made an opening range in here as well. Alright, cool. Oh, I see what's going on as well. Okay. So we need a little bit more of a narrative as well, a stronger bias, a stronger pull. Right. So the previous ones, right? Yeah, it was. Let's have this one here. Okay. Open range gap. Alright, so open range gap right here. I don't really trade off these, but I need to kind of draw liquidity for NQ to kind of know where it's going to stop as well. And the opening range gap does come nicely within this kind of area. What I would do is, I don't like to mark it out. Piss me off. I'll just mark out these instead. Give them a different colour. Alright, so opening range gap size. Where is this there? There you go, yep. Okay, so that's open range gap. Quite a lot of lines, so let's get the draw. Alright, so yeah, it would make obvious sense for upper quadrant, C quadrant, and the fact that it has some side right there as well. No, sorry, that's not upper quadrant. So the fact that the upper quadrant is in line with the consequent encouragement of the upper range gap is quite a nice confluence right there. Right, because I am drawn lower in terms of bias, but I just want to justify that bias a bit more. Okay, because I don't have enough information in the daily, as you can see. The daily hasn't really given me much information. You can see, other than this wick. Right, and that wick doesn't really have confluence. Look at it. Get it. Oh wait, it does. Shit. Yeah, this area here, definitely. No, forget this. I think this area is better. Yep, this area. Oh, yep. Balance price range. Yeah, I'd do this area. Yeah, this is a good area. CE wick, balance price range. You should fill it in fully though, and then go higher. Potentially, we could hit the full fill of the opening range gap as well. I'm gonna keep that place in thingy though as well. Alright, this area as well. So I'll have a couple of PD arrays to support this kind of narrative. But I'll have this balance price range as well in H4. Okay, so the new confluence is TDs. I don't think we're going to come back here. This is an immediate term high. We've already purged it, we've already closed above it. Alright, and the only time I'm going to come back there is when you get big retracements, massive retracements into the daily range that go higher. That's the swing setup I'm waiting for, by the way. Alright, that's going to come very soon now. Okay, so we got our H4 on balance price range right here, and we have this wick, which also balance price range right there, and it's the 5 minute. Basically right here is sell side. So this would be better. Like this would be a very fast sell usually. Okay, and yeah. Okay, so we got accumulation, manipulation, distribution. Okay. You can see how there's jaggedness here, so I don't want to trust the distribution there, even though it's 230 opening bell. I wouldn't trust the distribution there yet. I guarantee there's an order block right there that this could distribute from, and even though there's a balanced price range here, it's still not enough. It could go through it, like it's going through it right now, yeah. Okay. You know when earlier on I said it came to this, but they come to this area here, could revisit that area here. This would be your ideal sub. Yeah. And you see though, this is why on, like I said earlier as well, in the opening bell I don't really want to take anything. I'm not gonna lie, because it doesn't seem like it's giving much. You get it? If this here was the opening bell right there, I would take this sell any day. Take it. I'd be the first one to take it. And look at it, there was a nice reaction in it. But you can see it's already made some sort of kind of distribution, and it doesn't seem like it's shifting, coming to these kind of lows here, and it should be doing that. It should be setting the narrative to go lower, but it's not doing that yet. That's why I don't want to take no shorts at the opening bell, because it's going to usually do something like this, something like that. You know what I'm saying? Where it's going to take both sides of the market out, then do its move. That's what it does every time when it has shit like this. Alright, so I want to see if it can react off this order block right here. If it can react off that order block, that'd be nice to see. Make a model of that premium bear. So check my dealing range as well. High to low. Is that one on it? No. Yeah, shit. Is this one? Okay. Shit. High to low. Maybe there's something there, I can't see anything. But this one, yeah. Checking if it's this one. Yeah, is this one? Okay, no worries, I'm just checking. Fucking OCD, motherfucker. Right, yeah, is that one? Okay, no worries. I'm just checking. If it is, okay. Oh, okay, that's nice to see. So, right here, when we took our first terminus, first take profit on sub, had outlined. Just quickly mark this one as the H4 dealing range. Okay. When I took it, came to the H4 dealing range were higher. Cool. That's cool. You know why like I'm not trusting this to be an order block yet? It's because of the weakness. That's why it's showing a lot of weakness around this area specifically. If it's really bullish, it shouldn't be doing that. And if it's really bullish, it shouldn't be making south side. Look, like here I did, okay, I guess. But here I didn't. Alright, here I didn't. Here I purged it a bit higher. Came to inefficiency a bit higher. Purged, went higher. Purged, went higher. Get it? Inefficiency, went higher. Purge, went higher. Alright. Inefficient, well, balanced price range, went higher. Purged, sell side, went higher. Inefficiency, went higher. Alright. Forget that. Okay, that's, no, this here, this is London low, I know it is. Isn't it? No, it's not this one, it was here somewhere. Alright, London low here and had it marked down, it's pissing me off if they take it, but whatever. Thingy, and then yeah, consolidation. Purge. Exchange state. Higher. I think it's an OTE, or is it displacement? I don't know. Check. Yeah, displacement. 50% displacement, we're higher. Order block. Buy program, we're higher. Expansion move, boom. And then here's your chain stable delivery. Alright, first stage. Boom. And then we don't really get that second stage distribution, just comes only higher. Because this was all that Trump shit, that's why. And then purge, does it take the high? Alright, consolidation, purge. Alright, and then expansion, trace amounts going higher. So that's why I can see it's not respecting this area, so I'm gonna wait for the opening bell and see what happens. Okay, I don't want to give myself too much ideas either, because when I do that I don't follow one, so I'd rather follow one. Alright, so I'm gonna write that journal as well. Just quickly so we got buy side right there at the 1230 high. Okay, so it's likely to come there now. Check if that's an order block. Which ones? I don't get mad to be honest all the time, does it? Okay, here's an order block though. Right, so that's a nice order block there. Look at this. This? I have no idea what that is. Alright, so we have an order block right here. I'll wait for price to come into this area here, up there. See if I want to get a reaction off of it. Like if it gives a 2022 model off this area, it is worth taking. Might as well asking it, what's the point of typing in the journal and everything? Imagine if trading was a kind of job, I'm saying, and you were like the guy who would gather the data, I'm saying. Well, there you go. Alright, the journal was also the person you're giving the data to. That's the best way to put it, I'd say. But, yeah. That's why. I'm going to explain this more in my mentorship though, okay? I don't want to go too much gems here, you know what I'm saying? This is just a small briefing, let's just say. Alright. Alright, so we took out all this liquidity, including this one. Alright, see it's giving a nice reaction now. Okay, we have a lot of liquidity here, a lot. Look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and trend line. Jeez, that's a massive trend line. We have an A plus setup again here if we get a 2022 model. Okay, so we'll be aware of that. Okay, I'm going to put this into my 3 areas now. Just go above the break balance price action. Balance price range. So I have a trend line there, we roll, so I'll put that there. All this crap. I don't know why the midnight open is here. Okay, so we're getting reaction. Just taking the buy stop so that we can decent reaction. Means nothing yet, we have a close below this intermediate term low. Alright, this could mean something like a small reversal. But we still have a closed fully below it, I'll be real. Second there, decent. Again, I don't count any of this high probability, to be honest. But the ES. Right, ES came back into that area actually. Which area was that? Oh, the order block. ES came into the order block then. But now still. Okay, I'm gonna be right back though, because I need the toilet. So, yeah. And I'm back. Alright, cool. Just do a quick loo break on that one. Alright, so I'm sort of waiting now. As you can see, I did take no setup, some stupid shit for the bell. Damn. Alright, so we are buy side right there, most likely as well. I think we might the price might want to come above this high as well. We will see. If we get a 2022 model off of this high, I'm speaking a bit louder now as well, which is good. If we get a 2022 model right above this, no sorry, not right above it, at it or above it, I don't care, then I would look to enter shorts. 2022 model is in a bearish one. You can see it's also there, that trend line is pissing me off. Right, no worries. purge this here. Just kind of missed that right there. Whew. Damn. And the same here, and I'm respecting this order block, which I like, but it might come above it, to be honest. It doesn't seem like it's respecting it actually. I guess we finally came into this order block. It's 2:19 now. It's 11 minutes away from the bell. Remember, around now, and around 2:20, 25, all of that, and even if there's a bearish setup, a very obvious one, it's leading to today, that's also worth taking. That's already coming to your PD array. Alright, so I'm just going to see, I can see we're reacting off of it quite nicely. So here we are. Right here, so we just want to kind of anticipate to come up with buy stops. We're talking about sell stops, buy stops, buy stops, and buy stops. Okay. So what would constitute this is, sorry. What constitute this is this low being violated, as well as not only that is we would need to close below that low as well. In the 1 minute, I don't mind closing below that low because 230 is 238. Even this low here as well. They're both ideal. Alright, 1 minute here. Right there. It's a 3 minute. We quickly get a pro involved, to be honest. And I don't want to really be part of any subs today, I'll be real. Unless it's A plus criteria, which there is. A plus criteria being this, yeah, if I see this, I don't mind being in a market like that. That's a good market for me. And, okay, so Dow is not moving with them now, that's what I don't like. But ES is, okay. And ES also has equal lows here. It also has equal highs, actually, ES does. Check if the Q has that same shape. And Q is purged, so there's another SMT right there. So that means ES is more bearish, basically. ES is more bearish than NQ. Alright, so that means I could expect, because the ES would most likely come above these highs as well. Alright, shape. Yeah, because we did close below it. Right here is a nice area for ES. I could be a fan of taking the ES kind of setup instead, because it did purge the highs. Trying to find a good setup, man. Yeah, I would wait for, because ES is more bearish, I'll be real. I'd wait for 2022 model right here. Okay, ES is showing weakness. Ideally, I would wait 2022 model. Alright, cool, we purged this high, still got these ones here. I'm going to rename this and do some buy side. Okay, because I already know there's an SMT there anyways. So, buy side liquidity. Alright, cool. So previous daily high right here. Our previous daily high already got purged though. Okay, so this is ideal setup anyways. Shorts. Okay, it's 225. 225 usually there's a very fast accelerant, like really fast. Like it's usually for the 230 for sucker pay. Okay, oh my god, look at this. Yeah, NQ is still respecting. We also got more A plus criteria right here. With the liquidity is building up. That's what I like to see. That's A plus criteria to me, that is. It's short term low, so if it goes below it, it should go higher, but if it goes below it, it'll go here. Close below it, that'd be an ideal setup as well. Yes, I'd want to wait for this area first. Okay, yes, it's in a high premium as well. Being pop them in I open. Alright, I don't need to really be up this anymore. Before the bell. Alright, seems like we're going to get change state delivery right here, hopefully. Check the 5 minute. Okay, 5 minute looks nice with this low. Yeah. In terms of change state delivery, for the 5 minute, that low is nice. Right, coming in this order block as well. So freezing. Getting back in that buy side ball, which could be a breakout by the way. And it's not a breakout. This would be a breakout right here. But again, for reversing, I should just go to these lows. Alright, change state again. I'm not anticipating this, I don't like how it looks. I need really solid kind of movement, you know what I'm saying? In order for this to be justifiable for shorts. Even this is not like give and get, you get it. That's why I don't like, that's why I'd rather wait for the blink balance, see what it does. Also at 245 there is a PMI news, could accelerate price a little bit more as well. But I do like how NQ is kind of like breaking down a bit, but I need some displacement, some really strong energy. Not like that. Actual strong energy. Like that, yes. Indeed. 227. Okay, we need to close below this low. Okay, yes. Here we are. Wham. With divergence. So that could just be it coming lower to go higher. And that would be worth it, would it? Because none of these ones are moving with it. That's why. So we got yes. Okay, yes, it's finally moving. I'm having Q right here. Okay, good setup ready there. Good, waiting for that closing. But it's not close below and it just sweeps that low and it's not worth taking. You can see how it just sweeps it and then goes out like that. Fuck that. Can do its own thing right there. Because these are all short term lows here and this is an immediate term low, so there you go. And YM, what's it doing? It's respecting bullish price action. Neither is ES, nope, none of them are. But ES is in the 0.5 area now, so I could expect it to give me a model to work with, perhaps. Okay, I don't want to take this now, fuck that. Let do this thing. If we close below this low, that's the only reason I'll take it. For low resistance, liquidity run expansion move. Not retracement, expansion. Retracement would take a bit of time, this would be expansion. There's no retracement, that's why. And it's not really closing below this low, so it's not worth taking. Check the ES again. Yes, look at this crazy ass. I don't know why I am even crazier. Alright, and NQ just stalling, just trying to catch that sucker play. So something like this is what would happen. You know what I'm saying? Shit, there's 230 belt. Yes. ES is the main one I want to check, because if this gets more weaker than it, well, it's supposed to be. Alright, Q. Yes. Here comes that 0.5 area. Previous daily high, back above it. Okay. There's this, yeah, but it's gonna not come above it. Let's see. Let's see. Alright, so it's respecting this area, that's cool. That's good, that's actually a good sign, guys. Alright, 1 second. Immediate terminal. Check NQ. Alright, NQ did not close below it yet. One down there. Not doing 9. Alright, shipped. No, not taking anything. Because it's wonky, I don't like it. Alright, I'm not part of that consolidation move, mate. I need something obvious, something really obvious. Nothing yet. This is the highest high. Yes, so if ES is not doing anything, why should I do anything with NQ? I need ES to kind of tell me. NQ is moving lower, but I want ES to tell me, come on. But this is not doing it. Shit. Because the NQ is coming below, is where it is. NQ is coming below. Yes, finally doing its thing. Get a retracement, I don't mind taking that. Or NQ. Otherwise this inversion is not too bad. Alright. Bit of an SMT, so I might join ES for this one. Waiting for ES to follow basically, so I don't want to really be part of any of this shit. It's a bit too kind of still looks a bit wonky. Version ES is not giving me that direction, man. Come on, ES. If ES comes below this immediate terminal, it's worth taking. Imbalance right. We're on a premium as well. Back above previous daily high. what's he up to? Dow's like a yes as well. Fuck Dow though. Okay. That's gonna most likely reverse that, so it's not worth taking. Just want to be patient, don't be part of the noise. Because yeah, just doing nothing. What the fuck's the point of that? Alright, cool. Alright, I'm gonna check what ES came into. This rejection block, not bad, not bad. PD array. Alright, 30 second. Alright, 1 minute anyhow. So our NQ might be a missed move, but ES has a bearish SMT. So if ES comes below this low, I'll just take ES instead. Alright, because it's in a more premium anyways, so it'll still give me that nice 2R move. NQ's already left without me. So yeah, NQ's just doing his thing. Just fine. But ES is kinda like, I need it to come below this intermediate term low and close below it. If I can do that, then I'll just take ES instead of NQ, and that's completely fine. And these sell stops right here look very nice area anyways. Okay, yeah, it's finally doing his thing. I can't take NQ because it comes to my PD array, but I did take it, and that's completely fine. I need to wait for this thing to come below this low. Come on, why is ES being a bitch? Even YM's coming with it, bro. I'm gonna wait for ES, I think it's much better, to be honest. Because it showed a really good amount of bearish SMTs in the 15 minute, that's why. I can see that's coming, yeah, it's weird. So I'm gonna quickly just close my phone down. Let's see. Yeah, yes, come back to the opening price on the opening bell. Alright, yes, coming higher now. So nothing worth taking, I'll be wrong, nothing worth taking, no. And just came back to current daily high. This is current daily high. So I'll just mark that as CDL. Now current daily high still has significance, I'll be real, because there's still liquidity there. There are people who have shorted from the top as well. So let's see if we can make a move now. 245 being the news. Alright, because ES might just want to come a bit higher, a bit more premium to do it. Bit of an SMT there. Okay. Back above the current daily high. This SMT would be a 6s type, means NQ at lower, YM kind of at lower, long, and then ES was the only one a bit higher, even though it's the weak up here. Okay, so realistically, and I can see how NQ is going lower, but ES isn't. So ES would be a better kind of premium setup to take in terms of premium price. Just check 30 second, not you. This motherfucker. Alright, cool. Look at NQ just dying out, man. That would have been a nice setup to take. Here's where it is. I could take ES instead though, so I'll just wait for that. I need to come below this intermediate term low though. That's the only problem. Alright. Short term low, so I want to take this now. Just getting this ready though at the same time. Two lots I want to but I'll check. Yes, give me the setup I want. 1 minute it says this is a intermediate term low. Kind of isn't. 30 seconds, it's not really. So now we have more A plus criteria, which is the liquidity here. Okay, 5 minutes away from that news. Okay, yes, coming back higher. Fucking hell, yes. And it SMT here as well. I don't really look at the Dow and be real, so fuck off the Dow. I'm just looking at the Dow if it's following everyone. That's all that it kind of is. It's completely fine. But yes, really leading the bullish for a section. In a bit. If this doesn't give me a good setup, I'm going to leave it and be content with that. How much R was that earlier? 0.6, 0.7% from earlier. Which is completely fine. It's not really giving me a setup yet. It's kind of thinking. It's just kind of gyrating. Okay, this is nice. Come up above here and then can purge lower. Be nice. Alright, this might attack those buy stops up here. Kind of seems like it will. That's just a pound. Yes, it is. 5 million here as well. Where's the 5 million? That's the 1 million. 3 minutes. Shit. 3 minutes. Yeah, look at that reversal. Judo swing, reversal. I don't want to take anything here. Nothing looks probability me. We should really like dramatically came below these lows, is what I'm saying. Did up. I'm literally just waiting for the yes to give me a confirmation again. Crazy. Match off, so finished up. Do the 4 minute. Yeah, let's get this Sibi here. Right there, with the MQ. Alright, yes, nice, very nice. Is that another order block? Yes. Yes, it is. I don't know. Let's see. Okay. I'm gonna get 4 charts up because I can't see yes. I wanna look at yes, that's fine. Alright, one second at NAS. Duck. Also. Here I would have here would have Nasdaq, right? Yeah, big moment. Garbage indicators, man. I used to have back in days. Just need to know the price action as well. Alright, cool. So yeah, kind of reversing, same with the S. Just kind of like this bullish SMT now. I don't want to take the bullish SMT because we got lows below. That's why. These equal lows right here. 2.5 wouldn't be too bad for that. I'm just closing the fucking broker on ES because there's no point of taking any trades with this shit. Okay, I'm away for 245 now. I've got news kind of coming up as well. That's why. Like, you were saying, why do I just enter this show on NQ? I want to wait for ES first. Okay, ES kind of showing its hand now. Alright, I need to wait for it to give me this kind of right here, close below this low, and if it does this, closes below this intermediate term low, then I'll take the shorts up, which is better in my opinion. 1 minute away from the thingy, from the news, pretty much. You can see it's shit price action. News, PMI, pretty sure it's right now, 245, isn't it? Oh no, it's 1 more minute, 1 more minute. Yeah, sorry, 30 more seconds. Okay, so this is the setup. Okay, you can see the news just went crazy. That's why you don't take your short steps. That's why you wait for confirmation right there, look. Do not take anything whatsoever. That's how it's done. And if the catalyst was this did happen, and like there was actually a good short step, I would take it right in the news. I don't mind. You can see it's not making any of that right there. It's not making not one bit of it. Alright, cool. Now could get a reversal now finally. Do those lows. Alright, yes, no, sorry, NQ is back in premium. In terms of the ideal scenarios, ideal setups I'll take an NQ instead, to be honest. So let me go back to that 3 chart setup. And I'll just constantly be kind of watching the ES. So we'll go here, go to S&P. Okay. So ES is my confirmation to get in. Okay, so get out ES 500 now. Italian expansion. Okay, so retracement. Just 4 minutes away from the 250 macro as well. That needs to really do much of a bit wrong. Okay, so another thing is, I think we're back all time highs, more or less there. With NQ, I don't think we are. We check. No, we're not. So with NQ, it's a matter of if we come above this high right here, then I'm closing the charts, because then my bias is wrong. It's enough bearish backing it down. Okay, that's the last PD array in this range, is that rejection block, because I saw that earlier as well. And right now my bias is more with this and the quadra levels that I marked out, the other NQ chart, which would be these right here. Right, but it's mainly this, to be honest, this trend line. I'm going to go on. I'd like to see that type of like, price action. I'm going to use ES. Okay, the thing is the ES went higher, so I wouldn't really. Right now, Nasdaq is still remaining the weaker pair, so I'm going to change my kind of bias now, because ES is back in the highs, so ES is not really that bearish anymore. I'm so interested whatever Nasdaq gives me now, in terms of, because it's in a bearish PD array already, it's doing a bunch of buy side, so I wouldn't mind trusting its kind of sell confirmations gives me this time. Okay, so I'm going to wait for the 1 minute now. Just write that down. And there's more news at 3 PM as well. Right, again, some shit news that doesn't really do anything, meaning that you can trade that as well. So, you can see massive divergence here again. Dow. Yes, they're following it. Yes, so like liquidity, man, all this shit. So much low resistance liquidity below. Check the NQ. I'm gonna trust NQ now because ES went to all-time highs, so it's not a weak up here. Alright, for today I thought it would be the week up here today, and I think earlier on it was, but now it's just in the equity open. It's pretty much just showing its bullishness. Looking at this right here, this could be a change state delivery. Check the 5 minute here as well. Okay, 5 minute not showing anything, 3 minute. 3 minutes not showing anything, 2 minute. 2 minutes not showing anything either. Actually 2 minutes, 1 minute. So let's go with this right here as well. It should be this change state delivery, hopefully I can get it. Hopefully not, I don't know. If not, I like this area here for the last PD array. Or this range to be fulfilled. Let me check that 15 minute one. Yes, this one, yeah. Right. Even though we're in a higher time frame one, this is the like big confirmation for the higher time frame. It would be this, and if we purge this, no confirmation, then there's no point of me even participating in any shorts today, and it means you missed out the bullish price action, which is fine. Meaning the Judas swing was this and a bit higher, and it doesn't look like it was, but we left a bunch of liquidity here, so the Judas swing could really just be sucker play, bullish, and then PD array here, confirmation, silver bullet, and then 2022 model, boom, and it comes to the sell side. Of course my terminus would be sell side, but I'd probably just go for 2R to be honest. Anyway, 2R, and that's it. So we come to this transpiring order block, as I call them. So we're on the buy side pull right there, being the order block. That right here is my last PD array for the day. Trust. Okay, coming very close to it now, and we are getting quite near to that 3 PM. 3 PM is also this sort of bullet kind of macro. It starts at 3 PM, like the early move, and you can catch the more significant bear move at 3:30. But what I actually think is 3 o'clock usually just makes a break after the high time frame. So right here we did do that. It's a decent inversion as well. Alright, you can see we're reacting beautifully off that area. Okay. Now that I'm going to enter there, nope, need a confirmation. Okay. As much as this reacting off this area, I want it to kind of close below this 2 minute order block. Not order block, sorry, this 2 minute up close candle. Alright. Even this one's not bad actually. If it displaces right here, it would be very nice. On this. Yeah, 2 minutes. So I would wait for this 2 minute up close candle to be closed below, and probably even this one as well. Alright, so we've got 2 of them here. As you can see, it's just respecting the bullish order flow and going higher, which is fine. I'll remove those for now. Let me just check if we can go higher than that high, and I'll remove it. And then just wait for the next change state delivery. That might happen, might not. Right, this is a wick rejection block, so 1 second, let's say efficiency, a gap. Alright, let's throw it back there. 15 minute here, it's a bit different. Okay. That was back there. Okay, that internal range kind of this change state delivery should be nice here. Alright, very nice. Need to close below this and then close below that. That's going to be a signature for me to enter. 3 drives as well, not bad, not bad. 3 drives right there. 3 drives is just a pattern, but if it's with the move you're entering, it usually adds a lot more confidence. think in the 15 second that looks better. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. Okay, cool. So we got our small chain state here. We need to close below it for that to be a chain state delivery. And we did close below it, so I should just tap that. Boom. It's kind of low, so it's an order block as you can see. But let's see if we come above this, then it's not an order block. So these are just signatures that are kind of leading us to get a narrative for some shorts. Okay, ideally I'd want it to close below this one here, which is the 2-minute one. Otherwise it's just accumulating to go higher. Second, 15 second, 15 second. Some trend line here as well, quite a lot. Yes. Oh yes, coming low as well. Dow, fuck me. Okay, NQ again. Alright, so we have a second kind of signature right there. Should be here. Okay, and the 1 minute, I need to check. Okay, so we did. This could be a good so I want to go enter here and treat the higher up like a breakaway gap. Shit, wrong lot size, 0.2. Okay, and 0.3. Alright, so I'll treat the higher up like a breakaway gap, the above. Okay, and that moves, that's not. Now let's go for 2 on this from my area. Should be there. Okay, so I've already entered, and up above is the breakaway gap. So I don't expect it to really come into that 30 second area, which is right there. This area can stay unfilled, I don't really care about it. So we already made a market shift there as well, ish. But yeah. Okay. The move to R, that's what I'm going for. Probably go for that end dog right there. Right, so, yeah. So right there, so okay, it's 2:30. Sorry, what? 2 minutes away from 3 o'clock. Okay, and this could be the first partial right here. Do something. And take profit and dog. Came back in this chain step delivery after displacement. So these small kind of wick, yeah, small like a PPR kind of thing. Inside all of this PD array. And there's liquidity below, so yeah. I'm waiting for that 3 o'clock now to see if it can give us slight more significance for the bearish price action. It's not really a big news driver, but it's a news in the end. Okay. We did come back in that gap, which is fine. So I had to do that. Just didn't want it to, but it's fine. Alright, 5 seconds before that. Tiny news, not that big. Okay. Let's see. Okay, it's going back to the order block. Very nice. Nice reaction right there. Okay, MGPS. These are check. Okay, I might stop me out. Let's see though. That's not ideal, is it? Okay, let's see. see anything. That's why I moved that thing and I couldn't see anything. Okay. This news is not that big, by the way, but it usually does accelerate price if it's being a bit sloppy like this. And I like to take these kind of news because they're very like small. They don't really do anything, but they make price go a bit faster. That's what I'm saying. That is sell side right there. Okay, I'm going to move up finally. Slight bit below this level would be very nice, ideal. Some internal change state delivery on the 2 minute. We have a stronger one than that one. The second one. See control. Thank you. I realize you gotta be a bit quick. You know what I'm saying? A bit quick. Like these. You know what I'm saying? These kind of setups, very quick. You know what I'm saying? There you go. And the partial ones are quite 2 around that area. Actually, it's quite more. Well, right when it hits this inefficiency down here, but it gives me the chance. Right, so we came below this 2 minute right here. 2 RBs up here as well. Very sloppy price action, I'll be wrong. Alright, okay, that's a nice. Needs to kind of come below this kind of area right here and close below it. Okay, that's very nice, that's fast. Okay. Nice, that's one partial for me. Goodbye, goodbye. Right, another partial below. Can. End dog I'll pull, but alright, do input that volume imbalance right there. Another partial down. 21874.28 is my entry. That's my stop loss now. 21874.28. Be last trade of the day as well because it's quite fast. Okay, I'm aiming for that end dog right there. Come on. I'm gonna close it right there as soon as it hits it. I don't give a fuck. There you go. I hit it right there. Beautiful. That's all I need for the day. I'm done for the day. Fuck. But yeah, that was a decent 3 drives. Low resistance, as you can see, because it took liquidity here, came back higher, took liquidity again, chain state, boom, chain state, boom, chain state, boom, and we have my trend line point out here, which I don't need to aim for as a terminus either. Into my PD area as well, that's all I need. Today was quite a decent day as well. Okay. It's really about just predicting that move as well. So look, no reset accounts, as you can see, 1.6% would have been as well. And I think we took one setup with 0.5 risk, so that's why I just looked at my brokerage account. I was like, why is it not 2.5%? Because we did one of them we took with 0.5% risk, that's why. So technically that would have been a nice 2.5-ish percent, but it's fine. Don't mind the 1.5%, so yeah. Alright. You can see now we're in that change state in the 15 minute as well, right here as well. I don't want to really thingy this, you know what I'm saying? I could have had a terminus down here, but it was just being very sloppy, so it's kind of pretty fine. So we get executions up, so I can put this one in as well. Okay. And the short position was at 22057.25. Here, down here, okay, there we go. Stop loss right there, change step delivery, and profit was right there. Generous, very generous. Okay. crazy. Yeah, it's finally fucking went down. Took us a while, but YM is so crazy. Look at it, crazy ass shit. Even in the opening bell, it did come all the way up for a fat Judas thing and all that. Yeah, its trend line is the most likely we're going to come to right now. Anyways, trading, you really gotta predict, man. Predict. It's like I'm looking at the future. It's crazy, man. Really crazy shit. But right now you can see it's made so much liquidity here. More here, so it's gonna definitely rush the trend line right there. But yeah, pretty much, yeah. I'm kind of seeing, I don't really need to see anything else now. Let's call it a day now. Probably just get some other work done, and yeah, pretty much leave that to it. First stream of the mentorship. Technically it'll be on the YouTube channel, but if I probably will put on the mentorship when I start. I'm just right now trying to get enough thingy, what they call it now, people in there for now. And then yeah, and it will be free most likely for 3 days as well. So yeah, leave it up to it.